In front of me I've got Oppo A16s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. Right here you can find all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. Also you can enable auto switch between sunset to sunrise or custom. Next you can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Then you can change screen color mode between warmer and cooler. Next you can change enable or disable eye comfort mode, change its intensity, display effects between color and black and white, and also you can schedule eye comfort mode. Next you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off timer between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and in the end you can manage screen display, hide notch for apps, and full screen display by app. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.